2024. Let's go. Snow looks very good in the front. I'm gonna go that way. Yeah. Big Poww! Oh. Poww. Oh, woo! This close call. Poww City. Poww City, yeah. Oh. Woo. Oh. Okay. Just gonna check really quick. I have everything good. Good to go. Oh my god. Okay. Oh shit. There's so much power. Ooh. Ooh. This is too much Poww. Yeah. Poww City, Poww City. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Oh my god. Hope this is not a tree well. Ooh. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna save that really quick. Here we go. Same thing. Big Poww time. I don't want to make crazy noise every time I do this. This is a crazy amount of snow. Oh jeez. Yes. Ground. Whoa. I'm gonna go toward the opposite side. I want to make a turn. This is how I make a turn. One, boom. No. Boom. Turn's made. I go now. Wow. Yeah, I can do it. Can I do it? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Try it here. Try it here. Whew. Poww City. I'm gonna stop saying that. It's stupid. Well, the front view and snow. Let's see. Actually, I thought it was gonna go deeper, but it is pretty deep. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, woo! Almost caught it. Yes, yes. Why is no one riding this? Can I go through this? Let me see. Oh, I don't know. Okay, that's good. I'm out. I'm gonna take a little bit of break. Woo! Hit save, hit save. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna come back again after I record this. I'm just gonna do a run without the camera. Yeah, this is pretty. Why is no one here? This is crazy. Ooh. This is quality stuff. Real quality stuff. Ooh. Oh, okay. So that was it, I guess. Now I see that the Traverse Road. I love this part. Oh, sorry. And I'm out here. This is Rothman Way. Rothman Way. I'm just gonna continue to here. Yeah, this is sick. Oh wow, snow quality is a little bit about the same. I don't know, a little bit different. Ooh. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Snow quality is, I don't know why it's so good up there. Like just a couple of minutes ago, like that area. Last year I was here. I gotta focus. 1 second. Shit. Did I make it? Or I don't make it. I didn't make it. This caught me. It's okay. I'm not gonna do stuff like that anymore. If I see a dry bush. See, cameraman never dies. I'm kidding. Alright. Where? So, yeah, no more going through a dry weed. Dry bushes. Whoa. Yes, 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 yes. What happened? I don't know what happened. That's good. Huh. Here's too epic. Oh my God. Whoa. Yeah, the visibility. I'm getting a gray lens next time. Actually, I'm gonna take the easy route out. All right, that was one run, and I'm just gonna enjoy one without the camera. Okay.